The easy open lid production line made by Jinzhan Machinery transforms rolls of tin plate into finished easy open lids. Tinplate Material Preparation. The tin plate is transported to the production line, where it undergoes initial cleaning and inspection to ensure the raw materials meet the high production standards. Cutting and stamping. The tin plate rolls enter the cutting process, where automated equipment cuts the large rolls into metal sheets of the required size. These sheets are then sent to high-precision stamping machines. Through the high-speed operation of precision molds, the metal sheets are stamped into the initial shape of the easy open lids. Stretching and shaping. The stamped metal sheets move into the stretching and shaping phase. Stretching machines precisely adjust the depth and shape of each lid while ensuring the edges are smooth and burr-free. This process guarantees the consistency of each lid's size, making them ready for further processing. Seal ring installation. During the seal ring installation step, automated equipment precisely presses soft seal material into the groove inside the lid. The installation of the seal ring ensures the airtightness of the easy open lid and preserves the product's freshness, which is especially important for the safety of beverages and food. Tab assembly. Next is the tab assembly phase. In this step, high-speed machinery automatically attaches the pull tab to the lid and performs rigorous inspections to ensure each tab is securely and accurately positioned, making it easy for consumers to open. Finished product inspection and packaging. After all processes are completed, the easy open lids enter the inspection area. Jinzhan Machinery's intelligent inspection system checks each lid, removing any defective ones. The qualified lids are then neatly packaged, ready for shipment to major beverage and food manufacturers.